The water cut off, y'all. We gotta figure out how to turn it back on. Oh look, under here, it's like bars. There's some bars up here. Oh, look, look at this part. It's like moving back and forth because the boat is rocking. I don't know how to turn it back on. Let's see if there's a button to make it work. I know I'm hot. Y'all, it's time for me to de-stress. Hi, how are you? We're not here, y'all. There's nobody here. Not the room is there. One person in there. I showed y'all this when I did the panorama. So I showed y'all like a spa tour when I was on the panorama, which is basically the same thing as this. This is just a different ship, but yeah. It's so beautiful up here. Yeah, nobody called it. This room is even bigger. This looks bigger than panoramas. Oh, it feels so good. Oriental's thing on. Oh, it just feels amazing. And it's like the rooms get hotter and hotter. So depending on what temperature you want. That's pretty good. This room actually feels like the room I want to be in. I'm waiting on my friends to get up here. So I'm gonna sit out here so I can see them, so I can let them in. I'm probably sit over here so I can see them. Today, I feel so drained and it's only noon. I did not get any sleep last night, like no sleep. My recommendation for y'all, don't do a cruise with someone you don't really know. Don't do it, because oh my goodness. My boyfriend, y'all, he snores so loud. He has a CPAP machine. And I'm like, plug in your machine. And I guess he didn't want to put on his mask for his machine yet. Like maybe he wasn't ready to go to bed or something. But I'm like, you're snoring, you're asleep. Put your machine on. I'm trying to go to sleep. Like, I don't know if he don't want to wear his mask because maybe he feel like he not going to get none because of his mask on. I'm like, I'm in my cycle. I'm in pain. Sir, there is nothing for you to get. Put your mask on and go to sleep so I can sleep peacefully, so you can sleep peacefully. Like, his snore is loud. I'm sure it look like, oh my God, Lord. Yeah, I can't do it. We went and got massages. He asked me that. He was like, what was the highlight of yesterday for you? I couldn't even talk straight. And I didn't mean to be rude to him, but like, I'm like, leave me alone. He continues to talk. He loves to talk. He said his highlight was the massage. I said, oh, I'm glad you enjoyed it because I did not. Y'all know why I did not enjoy it? Because he snored the whole massage. The whole massage. We were in the same room. I'm like, Would it be rude if I wanted to have my massage in a separate room? Because it was just so loud. So loud. Just the masseuse lady had to like get a bell and ring the bell in his ear to wake him up so that he could turn over. He enjoyed his massage, slept through his massage. I did not enjoy my massage. I could not sleep through my massage. I could not sleep last night. So I got up and got out the bed. And I'm like, the only way I'm going to sleep is if I like exhaust myself. I literally have to just walk and just get so tired and sleepy to where I'm just going to lay down and sleep no matter what. So that's what I did. I walked around and I came back to the room like, I'm so tired. I have no choice but to sleep, whether you snoring or not. Guess what? I got back to the room and he had his CPAP machine on. I'm like, oh, now you put the machine on. So, I suppose this room not hot enough for me. I'm trying to wait for my friends, but I'm gonna have to go in the other room because this is not hot enough for me. I need like heat. So, let me see if the other chair open because these are supposed to be heated, but I don't feel no heat on this. So, that's that, y'all. I'm trying to relax because I want to sleep so bad. I'm so tired. Now we are going to the hydrotherapy pool. There's only one person up here now. Stepping on something. There's something under me I was stepping on. I be tripping. Stop my man. Stop me because I'm falling in love. Everybody's like this. Like you see people up to you. It's so cool. Alright, Glam Crew. I'm about to get out of here. Oh my god, y'all. I look so tired. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. Hopefully this makes me more tired, like relaxed enough so I can go sleep. I want to sleep for like 3 hours. I gotta get a pedicure and I want to sleep. Uh-oh. The jet's cut off. How do I turn it back on? The water cut off, y'all. We gotta figure out how to turn it back on. Oh, look. Under here, it's like bars. It's like moving back and forth because the boat is rocking. I don't know how to turn it back on. Let's see if there's a button to make it work. I'm hot. It feels good though. I'm hot in a good way.
You came out at the perfect time.
I know, right? It's crowded out there.
Yeah.
At the Serenity. My friends made it. Isha, Sheena. They made it. Say hi to the Glam Crew. This is my YouTube channel. Whoa. They're gonna block my video. They're gonna say it's too much in the video. Okay, so the jets just turned off. I was trying to figure out how to get them back on. What's up, y'all? It's Nikki the Glam. Teach Nikki the Glam. We got Isha. We at the Big Back restaurant. We doing big back activities.
As usual.
We just got out the hot tub. We're gonna get us some collard greens. I want beans and brim, yeah. You name it. Ooh.
Yes, you have to take what you want for you.
Okay, I would like the collard greens, the mac and cheese, the beans, please, and I want the pork butt, smoked briskets. Load me up.
You got a sausage on it now?
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
I'm good, thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Don't think you will get none of my big bag food. I'm about to show y'all my plate because it's going down, 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 down. It's going down, YouTube. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. I'm about to show y'all this plate. This, oof. I see a Cowboys fan, y'all. She hating. She like the Titans. Let's find a seat out of the sun. Try and find a little bit of shade. A little bit of shade. Hell, the tiniest little piece of shade. I gotta go to the spa, y'all. I didn't miss my pedicure appointment 3 times now. 3 times I didn't miss my pedicure appointment.
Hydration is key.
Okay, let me show y'all my big back plate. I gotta hurry up and eat and go do my pedicure. Then I'm gonna go to sleep for an hour. Look at my big back plate. Y'all see it? Do y'all see my big back plate? It's about to go down. I got a fork right here.
I said they pulled pork.
You know what? I don't know. I think it's smoked brisket. It's smoked brisket pulled pork. I don't even know, but we about to cook it up. All right, Glam Crew. Damn, my mouth is greasy. I just ate that barbecue, y'all. It was so good. I'm about to get my pedicure and manicure, so we about to start my manicure first. This is the spot. It's kind of empty in here. But yeah, y'all, I'm exhausted right now. I don't know how I'm still moving, but I need to see if they got something to like help with my eye bags. Cause I need it. Y'all remember when I was in Dubai and I just came across them people in the mall, the Dubai mall, and it was like, let me put this on your eye, you look tired. And I'm like, yeah, I'm real tired. And they put some cream on it and like, boom, my eye, the puffiness and stuff was gone. So I did bring my little makeup, but you know, I don't know how to do makeup like that, so I don't want to look tired. Maybe I'll see if they can do my makeup in here, because they do, you can do makeup services on the Carnival boat. Let me show you the view as I get my nails done.
Which one is the newest?
Then you get your hair dried with the ocean view. So a guy getting a pedicure. I can show y'all him. But yeah, this is lit.
Your skin, get rid of the dry skin, the dryness. I don't like you to use the full fining. Because when you start to use the full fining, it will begin increase. But now if I remove it all, but you need to maintain the
She got me a
scrub it only once or twice a month.
She must wash my hands so well.
You can just throw your hair, nails, and your skin. Yeah, 1 to 2 drops is enough.